In this video, I will show you how to create amazing Christmas videos using Filmora. Here we are in Filmora. In the stock media section, we have a Christmas category that offers amazing Christmas stock media for you to use. As you can see, it contains some great options. Let's try a few of them. Just drag and drop them onto the timeline and make any necessary arrangements. It's time to add some effects, overlays, and text to enhance the stock media and make it more attractive. In the effects section, go to video effects, where you'll find the Christmas category. There are many effects available that you can easily apply, and these effects can have a significant impact on your video overall. Next, let's explore the title options. In the titles section, we also have a Christmas category with special Christmas titles that you can use by simply dragging and dropping them onto your timeline. Let's use a few of those. Now it's time to add Christmas transitions. Just drag and drop some suitable transitions from the Christmas category between your video clips, and you'll be all set. Lastly, let's add some background music and sound effects to enhance the overall feel of the video. Search for music related to New Year or Christmas and select a smooth New Year background sound that you think is the best fit. You can also incorporate New Year sound effects or festive flair sound effects that match your video's theme. At the end, if you go to the stickers section, you'll find a Christmas category that contains many festive stickers you can use in your videos. This is a great way to create a special video for Christmas and New Year. Don't worry if you don't want to dive too deeply into editing. You can also use the pre-made Christmas templates available in Filmora. Simply go to the template section, where you'll find a variety of Christmas-themed options. It's super easy to use. Just drag and drop the template onto your timeline, and you're ready to go. You can fully customize the template by double-clicking on it, which will allow you to edit any element used in it. You can change the title, music, sound effects, and literally everything else. Using a pre-made template is a great option if you want to create a Christmas video quickly without spending a lot of time. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.